The chairman of today is not a man, a monarch, and we all know him as Seriki Musulumi in Nigeria. He is my twin brother, but because he came to this world before me, he likes to chance me all the time. From the program, they said you are the chairman of the day. But for me, you are the royal father of the day. His Eminence, Sultan of Sokoto, thank you so very much for being there all the time, for your support, and for your moral contribution for me on this sacred throne. I remember that you did your 10 years and we're all together in Sokoto. The whole Nigeria gathered there. And that day you promised me you will, inshallah, make my own 10th year coronation. Lo and behold, 10 years like yesterday. A lot of people don't know. It's the same Sultan, my twin brother. It's okay. I've agreed. You are the senior twin, I'm the junior twin. No problem. I think we can do better than what we just did for him. 10 years ago, exactly today, I repeat, exactly today, he came to turn the sword of this whole complex. December the 6th, 2015. He came, he drove from Sokoto, all the way from Sokoto. He stayed with me the 6th, the 7th, and the 8th. Today he's here. He told the sword of Ife grand result. And I told him, because we talk very deeply and very passionately together, I told him that what is in this world if you don't create a legacy for yourself? There is nothing that will not finish. Wealth can finish. Position, it's only God that gives. Hello. Can come and go. The only thing you can keep is legacy. Your Eminence, I want to tell you today and tell the world that I'm very proud to be associated with you and your philosophy in life. We work very closely together, things that has to do with our nation. And you are here today, you are spending 3 days again. You will spend the 6th, you will spend the 7th of December 2025, and you will spend the 8th of December 2025. Well, maybe we will give you, the way you told me, respect is a reciprocal. You said when I come to Sokoto again, you give me another Amaria, so that we will not be number 8. So we will give you a princess too here. And I know my honorees, they're in concurrence with me. $1 billion. Okay. My other brother kings that I am, I want to thank all of you, because this is the greatest of my 10th year celebration. This is the height of it. The commissioning and opening and turning the sword of Ọ JÁJÁ University, ilé-ẹ campus. We took a very long route, started from Ilorin, Eyekori, Kwara State, and I told the Vice Chancellor, Engineer Akpan started Crown Hill University, and brought me on board. That he couldn't continue. I said I have this vision too, that someday I will set up Ọ JÁJÁ University. 6 years ago, rather for the university to completely collapse, I offered to take it upon myself exactly 5 years ago. Lo and behold, we started pushing. It's a very challenging investment. Anybody that sets up university, don't think you are going to make money from it. It's a lie. Rather, just turn it to be a legacy project. Today, we are all here gathered. It's a day of appreciation for me. It's a day of honor. I want to thank all of you that you have made impact in my life, for having come thus far. Because for me, I'm expecting another very important guest tomorrow, a motherly figure to me, who has been very supportive the way you have all been supportive for the last 10 years. She said she will leave everything she's doing and she will come to Ife. The First Lady of our dear country, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, tomorrow. Also, the President of Ghana, and also my other babas, they have all physically confirmed that they are coming. 2 presidents, former presidents of Nigeria, President Obasanjo and President Jonathan. So it's a big preparation. They just want to come and celebrate me. Who am I? Oni of Ife. No. For me, it's a selfless life. I need to continue to give. This has given me a lot of encouragement to continue to give. I want to thank all of you for your support. It's not very easy to get to Ife, passing those roads, the bumpy road. I want to thank all of you. But before I leave this microphone, all the council members, I want to first of all thank you. Especially thank you. But you know, charity begins at home. My honorees, please, can you stand up for recognition? I want to show appreciation to you. 3 of you, you are there. They are very beautiful. Are they not? They are my pillar and my strength and my support. Oh. Thank you very much. Sometimes you used to make fun of me. Now, Kabiyesi, why are you single? What's your problem? Go and look for a queen now. Eventually, I got another queen. By force, by fire. Sometimes said, you're always going around with this queen. The queen left me. To the glory of God, God now blessed me with 7 more. Have I not tried? Sometimes you want me to continue. Please let me warn him. Please, you can be seated. Please, can you help me give them a resounding round of applause? The Board of Trustees, ably led by Professor Bahale, you gave a fantastic speech today. Please, let me appreciate Professor Bahale. Give him a resounding round of applause. All of you will come out, but I want to specifically single out my blood, I call her oxygen. Princess Baby, she's part of the council of the university. Thank you for everything. God bless you. She flew in to just today, this morning. Sorry, yesterday morning. Very early. All the way from the US, where she's based. She's been very supportive. I want to thank you. My very own Enigma. Enigma, who is an astute businessman, a brother, a friend, a confidant, and part of me. an astute businessman who has made us proud all over the world. He runs one of the Fortune 500 companies in the world. He built that company from the scratch to a multi-billion-dollar company. He doesn't like me to expose him, but I'll expose him today because he's an astute entrepreneur, very well connected globally. When they make decisions in the US, who they want to be the governor, who they want to be political leaders, he plays a very active role in it. And I always tell him, come back home now. Come back home. By force, by fire, Enigma is back at home. He's the second largest, and I know he will be the biggest investor in Ekiti, where he came from. He set up the largest cassava plant in Ekiti. He's, like I said, an astute businessman who is enigmatic in his approach and is very astutic in everything he does, and every time he's always committing acts of astutism. Anybody that can pronounce that thing, go ahead, pronounce it. He's always committing and practicing acts of astutism. Oh yeah, call it after me. Act of astutism. Oh yeah, clap for yourself. I got that English out. He's a council member of Ọ JÁJÁ University. See, my mind is at rest. I don't have any problem to fund the other structures remaining. Sultan came here 10 years ago, like I said, no single structure here. Exactly the same day. Today we have over 40 to 50 structures on this land. And I know very soon this whole place will be filled up. It's thousands of acres. We can see the beautiful hill there. It goes all the way everywhere. So I want all the council members to come forward, please. Let us all come forward. Let them see us. Today we have opened Ọ JÁJÁ University. I have two kings. I'm very proud to say this. They are lecturers par excellence. They've done significantly well in their communities. Professor par excellence, Kabiyesi Òkèlà. Please, Kabiyesi o. Kabiyesi Olobale, a professor par excellence. Enigma, you have to join us. Oh, don't write today. Oh, you are part of us. Enigma. Oh, you are here now. Enigma. Please climb the stairs. Climb. We still have others. The brain box behind Ọ JÁJÁ University. We are more than this. Larry Ali, my childhood friend, based in England. Dr. Elizabeth Dakridge, my daughter, and another medical doctor in the US. Dr. Larry, they can't make it today, but they are here with us in the spirit. Larry Shitu is also part of us. So this is our team. I want you all to give them a resounding round of applause. Dr. Taiwo Afolabi is part of us. Senator Bemi Saraki is part of us. Professor Ozekome is part of us. Engineer Larry Shagaya is also part of us. Please appreciate us now. We've tried now. From nowhere.